now here in 2025, a person can subscribe to electronic software. It's a software package. There's all kinds of companies out there that produce tax preparation software packages. A person can subscribe to that software package for a relatively small amount of money, prepare their tax return on their home computer, get everything laid out on the computer, hit the submit button, and file that tax return electronically with the IRS from their own desk or their kitchen table in their house. Professional tax return preparers for years have been required to file tax returns electronically if they prepare more than 10 tax returns a year for hire. And so here in this office, we do about a 90 to 120 tax returns every year, depending on the situation. We file all of those returns electronically directly with the IRS. And so this is a situation that is only achieved through modern technology, right? And so there's no question that the IRS can improve computer systems in certain ways. There's no doubt about that. But to say that they have 1960s era technology just is not true. And as a matter of fact, one of the IRS commissioners here in the last 25 years, Charles Rosati, was hired in 1999 to take control of the IRS specifically for the purposes of curing the IRS's technology problems that they were having then. So they brought in a commissioner from the outside. All the years that I've been paying attention to this situation, he's the only commissioner that's ever been brought in from the outside. He specifically was brought in as a technology expert, not a tax administration guy. His job was to fix the IRS's computer system. And the IRS spent a fortune. Congress spent a fortune with the IRS in those early years of this century, upgrading its computer systems. And it just goes on and on and on. And so they should be to the point, should be the key word, should, the most worthless word in the English language, in my opinion. They should be at a point where this stuff is humming along because they've spent so much